Hello guys, this is a small review or unboxing for Razer Atheris mice. This is a very compact mice, so it's not big at all when you compare to another one. In the box, we get as I was saying, in the box we get some paperwork and a mouse and a battery pack. So we get stickers, the Razer famous logo stickers, and we get a mouse with RF dongle and some of the batteries. And the mouse is really compact, very small. It's more or less like palm size, and you get like 6 buttons totally: left click, right click, wheel scroll click, and side left and right buttons that you can be mappable anything using the Razer Synapse software. And it's really compact and nice for a longer time. So when you compare to my Logitech MX3, you can see that this thing is tiny, really tiny. Even the package is very small. You get all the features of MX3, I guess, except the side scroll, which none of them has it out there. But this is really a good mouse. If you want to use this one for an extra long period of time, I would definitely suggest this. Battery life is good, and you can connect this with the Bluetooth and also with the 2.5 receiver GHz receiver that's included in the box. So you can connect it to two devices and you can switch them easily with the back of a button. Thank you so much.